Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. Today I'm taking a look at the Trend DAR200 angle measurer. This is not a sponsored video. I've paid for this with my own money. So let's take a look. Right, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Instructions, battery, and the angle measurer itself. So this is the Trend DAR200 digital angle measurer. It costs £22.99 from Screwfix here in the UK. Right, it has a overall length of 400mm. When it's closed, from the end to this point here is 200mm. It's 35mm wide. It's got a depth of 19mm. It's got a maximum measuring angle is 360 degrees. The measuring accuracy is plus minus 0.3 degrees. It has an auto power off after 5 minutes, an LCD display. It's got 2 function buttons. It can be locked in place by turning this. It's got imperial and metric scales, and it takes one CR2032 battery, which it is supplied with. Right, to fit the battery, got this little button here, just press that, then you can pull the battery tray out the top, insert the battery, and it turns on. Turn it off. So, turn it on. You've got a 0 button, and as you open it and close it, it gives you the angle. Press and hold the button. Turn it off. Right, let me see if I can find something with an angle to take a measurement from. Right, I've got this little table piece off my Axminster Craft bench grinder. It's got a couple of angles, so let's see if we can take some measurements. Right, first of all, turn it on. Then let's see if we can't take some measurements. And that has an angle of 145 degrees. And that one is 063.2. It feels well made. It's stainless steel construction. I'm going to use these little holes to hang it up somewhere. What I tend to do with these little digital tools is I take the batteries out while I'm not using them, just so they don't corrode, because sometimes I don't use them for a while. I like this locking feature, which is really easy. Locks it nice and firm. I'm pleased with this purchase. I think it's going to come in useful in the future. I've been wanting one for a while. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.